great for digestion, great for flushing out the body as well. This is an amazing juice. It's going to be great for summertime. It can help you with weight management. So let's get into this easy golden drop. Look at that. Look at me naming stuff. It's a golden drop. So let's talk a little bit about my juicer. This is the J2 By Namawell. This is actually the second juicer that I've had. I started juicing back in 2022, you guys, and I started with the Hamilton Beach juicer, but I knew that if I wanted to make juicing a lifestyle, I had to invest in something a little bit better for various reasons. Some of the main reasons why I do love this juicer is the juice yield. It makes sure that your pulp is fairly dry, so that way you know you're not wasting any juice by throwing it away in the wet pulp or whatever you do with the pulp. It's super simple to clean, super easy to put together. Let me show you guys actually. So this is obviously the base. Let's just take everything apart. These are all your parts to the juicer here. This doesn't come with it. This is an attachment, a strainer attachment that you can purchase. So we're just gonna take this little plug here. Then you're just gonna take this part, which is, this is where the juice, like the strainer, the internal strainer. And then this has wings, like little wings. One is small and one is big. So you want to make sure that you match the wings up to the corresponding side. This is the big side, that's the small side. You just push it down there. Then you're going to put the, I think this is called the agar, and just pop it down. Make sure that it's flush with the side here. We're going to take our hopper, and on the juicer, you'll see this lock and this unlock. We're just going to line up this notch here. You're going to line it up. Sorry, it's hard to see this way. With the lock. Okay, and then just twist it. And then we have our removable lid here. Pop that on. Boom. And then you just put it on. There you have it. This is where the pulp goes. So that goes on this side over here. And this is where your juice goes. So we're gonna be making a simple juice today, you guys. We have 3 Granny Smith apples, 1 Gala apple, it might be Honeycrisp, I won't lie, I don't know. And then we have about maybe a little less than half of a pineapple, and then 1 key lime. This super simple juice recipe is gonna be amazing with the benefits that it actually packs, you guys. It's gonna be sweet with a little tart, nice, crisp, refreshing flavor. The good things about this juice is that it's going to promote good gut health because it contains prebiotics like pectin, which actually feed the good gut bacteria. Also anti-inflammatory, and it's going to aid in digestion. And let's definitely not forget that this is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, so it supports immunity and helps to fight free radicals. Now I know people are always talking about free radicals all the time, but you may not even know what that is. So just to explain a little bit about that, so the body uses antioxidants to neutralize and protect the cells from damage, and damage from the free radicals is not good because it's actually linked to aging and diseases like cancer and heart disease, amongst others. So you want to protect those cells, so that's what a good juice like this will do. This is about full, so I don't think we'll squeeze the rest in. Now, I usually don't care about the foam, but I'm making this for somebody else, so I am going to get some more of this foam out. And as you can see, the strainer does a good job, but sometimes it's still a bit of foam left, so that's actually a pretty decent amount. I wonder if I could just scoop some up. I hate dumping the foam out because I think the foam is so good. I need about 22 ounces of juice, which is great. This is a 16-ounce jar that I have here. That color is so pretty. There we have it, our apple, pineapple, and lime juice. Yes, that's really good. It's nice and not overly sweet because of only a little bit of pineapple. This is a good one, y'all. This is good. So that's all for today's juice recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Please drop a comment down below if you do try this juice recipe out, you guys. Make sure that you do subscribe before you go as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.